Welcome back to Wicked Rides. So, first mod to the Gsxr. These mirrors, like I said in the last video, that one was already busted, vibrating constantly. So I'm replacing them. I'm actually replacing them with flush mounts because I'm always one to turn around no matter what anyway. So I don't necessarily care about having my mirrors because I'm always turning around before I change lanes or anything like that. So, got these Hotbodies Racing flush mount LED blinkers because the turn signals and stuff are still on the front and I want people to be able to see me. So, got these. Did get the smoked lens. We're going to see how they work out. As you can see here by the electrical tape that the wonderful gentleman that had it before me had already replaced the mirrors. I would have at least a quick splice than duct tape, but what are you going to do? However, this windshield was a pain in the ass to get off. That's why it's not in the video. I had not planned on it, and then once I found out I had to, I've already tried to take it off, and they wouldn't come out. So the wires are ran through the fairing, and they're stuck in between this bracket here. So you have to get the windshield out to pull your wires. It makes it a lot easier. Can't say you have to, but it definitely makes it easier. They're actually clipped in there. You can see the little clip right there. I already took that one off, of course. But these screws, they're just Allen heads. But I tried taking it off before. They're just little rubber grommets on the back side of this fairing that hold it in, and they wouldn't come out. The rubber on the bottom side would just spin with it. I'm assuming because they've been in there so long and rusted to shit. Like I said in the last one, I tried WD-40 and all of that, didn't work. So I sprayed more on it, put pliers on the rubber behind it, and spun them out. Now, these two rubber pieces are gone. There are no more rubber pieces for those. They're supposed to stay on there, but they didn't. There's nothing there on the bottom. So it's always going to vibrate, or I need to get new little rubber grommets to put under the bottom to put the bolts that I actually was now able to remove. So, little trick, if they won't come out, try pinching the rubber grommet on the bottom side and put them out that way. I do have rubber laying there, right there, with the bolts. So, now to do these. Like I said about the clip, you just go in here in between, you stick your finger up underneath here and unplug them, unclip them. This is what you got here from where the previous owner spliced it into the connector already. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here where the tape ends and wire these Hotbodies in. So let's do that and get them in. So they're together, quick spliced, red to the white and black OEM, and then the black to the black. I'm assuming that would be positive and negative. So let's go ahead and get this clipped in and see if it works before we bolt it in. All right, so the plug's back in, get it to sit there. Let's see if it works. So it does not. So, here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to swap them wires. So that doesn't make any sense. Red goes to black and black goes to the white and black. Okay? Okay, so the wires are swapped. And now let's see if it works. There we go. Cool. And of course, it is showing it is fast blinking. The light is fast blinking. It's LED. You can fix that, remedy that with a resistor or something like that, because this pulls less power than a halogen. But I don't care. To me, I know the bulb's not out, and it's going to make me more visible, which in a motorcycle you want to be as visible as possible. So let's go ahead and get it bolted up and get the other one done. And they are in, windshield's back in. minus, of course, these 2 bolts here. I mean, I'm not going to ride it until maybe tomorrow, this weekend. So I have time to run to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or somewhere to try and find those rubber pieces. But the rest of it's already put together. Let's go ahead and take a peek at it. 4 ways. What do you think? And yes, I need all new headlight bulbs too. I just ordered my 3rd set. The first 2 didn't fit at all. So we'll see about that. Those are next, actually. But I think those look great. It definitely cleans it up a little bit. The mirror's not hanging off the side. I like the look. The smoked definitely fits the bike, including even when I swap out the color scheme. It's still going to mesh well with what I'm going to go with. So there it is. Again, Hotbodies flush mount turn signals, LED indicators. As if you're following from the F-150 build, every item that I put on either one of these bikes will always be in the description below. And check it out. Hope you all have a great upcoming weekend. I'll see y'all next time.